Do you think your skin is beyond repairs? Then this product is for you. This product is a lifesaver. Today's video, we are going to review Lotion cocoa butter. Please watch the video to the end. Leave me a comment, and if you're a new subscriber, you are welcome. And to my returning subscribers, I'm very much grateful. Please drop a comment. I love this video to be more engaging. It keeps me motivated. So let's jump right into the video. My name is Etonam Dumas and welcome back to my channel. Lotion cocoa butter to me is a moisturizer. This amazing moisturizer is for all skin types. If you are fair, chocolate, or you are dark, you can use this particular product. However, if you are suffering from skin damage, then this is your savior. Trust me, this cream is so amazing. Okay, it's a healing cream. This is a healing cream, I won't lie to you. Anyone suffering from any skin infection as a result of the use of lightening product that contain hydroquinone or any harmful chemicals, then this product is going to save you. And this is how you are supposed to use it. If you are suffering from damaged skin, what I would advise is that stop using any of the products that you are using that cause your skin to get damaged, and then stick to this only. Use this product without mixing it with anything, and within a week you start seeing results. If you have sunburns, it will clear all the sunburns away, and then your skin will come back to its original state. Let us read a little bit of what is written here. So they said Lotion cocoa butter lotion helps relieve stretched skin during and after pregnancy, soothes and softens dry, irritated, capped, or sunburned skin. It's just written here, and this is so true. This skin will just save you from all forms of infections or damaged skin or whatever. So now let's move to the substance itself. Does it have a running consistency? No. This is so thick. The product is very thick. And does it soot well into the skin just after rubbing? No, please. Look at it. It takes time. It will just leave, you see, white patches on your skin for a very long time, unless you keep massaging it into your body before it sinks in. And it takes a lot of time. So if you are a busy person who does not really have time for your skin, it's going to annoy you for a little while. It's going to annoy you. Like, it's really annoying. Okay. So this looks even a bit moisturizing. Yeah, if you don't have time for it, you think it doesn't moisturize, but this cream is moisturizing. Like, it's good. After you apply it, you feel like your skin is kind of watery and cool, and it leaves this kind of shiny appearance on your skin. As you can see, my lightening is very bad. I thought the sun is doing justice to it's almost 4 o'clock. Okay, so as I said, if you want this cream to just moisturize you at a go, you have to mix it with your body oil. Either a vitamin C oil or a vitamin E oil will do. Another amazing thing about this product, okay, is that it clears dark knuckles. If you have strong dark knuckles, or your hand is very rough and looking so disgusting, this cream is a savior. Okay, you can just get a container and then pour a little into it and put your handbag wherever you go. After eating, doing whatever that you have to do, just rub a little. It's just healing. Okay, my hand has been going through a lot, but this particular product has been my savior. And also, if you are into lightening products, you are the type that use a lot of lightening products on your skin, I would advise that if you use lightening products like for 2 months or something, you need to pause. Okay, pause and then let your skin breathe. And if you want your skin to breathe, you can't just go without smearing any cream on your skin. So you have to choose this amazing lotion. If you are fair, and then if you are fair as a result of lightening products, and you are scared that if you stop applying lightening product, your skin is going to get darker, this one can help you. This one or any other cocoa butter from Nivea can also help, but Eversheen cocoa butter is going to do the job for you amazingly. It's not going to get you dark. Let me answer some few questions you guys will have to ask. Can I apply this on my face? Yes, you can apply this on your face, and it's going to heal all your sunburns and everything and give you a smooth face. I do apply it on my face and I get no reaction. It actually clears away dark spots and give you a smooth glowy face. Okay, so it's safe to apply on your face. Does this product makes you sweat? Yes, it makes you sweat a lot. It makes you sweat a lot. So I advise that when you're smearing, make sure you're in your AC or you have a fan with you whilst you smear it on your body. And if you know you're going to work in the sun, make sure you apply this on your body because it has the ability to clear sunburn, so it's going to protect your skin. However, if you feel like you're going to work so much in the sun and cold, then I advise you just use a different moisturizer. And when you come back to the house in the evening, then you apply this product. I don't know if I'm making sense. Another question people do ask is, can I use this lotion together with another lotion? Yes, you can include this lotion in your skincare routine. You can have multiple lotions, okay, but let this one be a part of it. It's very good. I won't lie to you. And it smells like cocoa. Yeah, it has this kind of burnt chocolate smell. Like King's Bite. Yeah, it smells like King's Bite. Well, it's okay. And some others will ask, can I use this product alone to get a smooth skin, beautiful glowy skin? Yes and no. Yes, in the sense that if you don't have any other pomade using and this cream is okay for you within your first month, you can go ahead and continue using it. But just to remind you that sometimes your skin gets tired. When your skin is used to a particular product for a long time, it doesn't really work for you any longer. So you need to make sure you let your skin breathe. I don't use this every day. I have other moisturizers that I use because your skin gets used to products and you wouldn't get good results. So you can smear this product at least 3 times in a week and then include other moisturizers. I sometimes smear other moisturizers in the morning and use this in the evening. I do rotate it so that my skin does not really get used to this particular product so that it doesn't stop working. So this brings us to the end of today's review. I hope you guys learned something new. Let me know in the comments down below if you are going to give this a try or if this is already working for you. Let's know your views, and please, if you don't even have anything to say, an emoji would do. It keeps me motivated and I would love to make a lot of reviews. Let me know which other products you want me to make review on and I will go ahead and give you guys. And like the video, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.